Hello, my name is Sadat and I am working with Street Child Afghanistan as IT officer. And in this video, we will create ACASI form. ACASI stands for Audio Computer Assisted Self-Interview. As it's well known by its name, in ACASI forms, we are using audio to explain the question. This video will be very short and brief, so I want to directly go to KOBO. I will open my browser. In Google, we will type humanitarian response KOBO. The first choice comes up with KOBO humanitarian response. And click on this. We have opened our KOBO server. We will create a new form. I will select build from scratch. Here we will type our form name, ACASI. You can add the description here, and from here you can select the sector, in which sector you are working, your office is working. I will type education, humanitarian education, and country Afghanistan. I will click on create project. Our form is now created by name of ACASI. We can add a question by clicking on this plus icon. So in here we can type our label of the question. I want to add a question for attendance of students. Student attendance. So click on add question. By clicking this, a list of question types will be appeared. We will select one. You can add many choices for your question, but I want to add 4 choices for this question, and we will type its names. We want to know the frequency of student attendance on the class. So I will our first choice will be never, and I will select its value 1, and 1 time, 2, few times, 3, many times. In this question, we want to know attendance of a student in past week. I will save the form. Once it's been saved, I will close it. In here, it's important to add a language for this form. Click on manage translations, and in here we will type English, and for default language code we will select 1 set. We have added a language for this form. We will deploy this form. So in order to add audio or image to this question, we have to download its Excel version. In Excel version of the form, we can simply type the name of the media, and we can add the media in the Excel version of the form. So I will download it, and we will rename it to ACASI, and it will be downloaded to my desktop. So now we will open our form. In here you can see we have added a question in the web-based version, and it's showing to me in here student attendance past week. In order to add audio to this question, we will create a column before calculation, and we will copy this to rename this column. I will rename this column to media audio. So we have added a column for our audios, and now we will paste the audio name in this section before the question. I will open my media files folder. I want to add this audio to this question, so I will simply copy its name along with its extension. Then I will paste it here before the question in the media column. I will save it. So in choices, we also can add audio for every choice and add pictures also. So simply we will copy this. We are copying this because we need the name of the language with it. I will rename this with media :image, and the other one media :audio. In here you can add the names of your media, image or audio. Then we can upload these to server, but one thing is missing. We need the audios to be autoplayed. So in order to make these audios autoplayed, we will add a column by name of autoplay, and for the question which contains the audio, here type audio and save. So I will fast forward the video and I will add the media names from here to here. So then you can see the result. I have pasted all the media's names to its columns. In here you can see for audio we have pasted all the audio mp3 files, file names, and for the images I have pasted the image names. Then we will upload these files to the KOBO server also. Now I will save the Excel, I will close it, and in here we should replace this form with our previous form. Click on replace form, select upload an XLS form and drag it here. So now it's uploaded, we will deploy it. So in order to see the changes, we will click on edit the form. Now I will go to the settings. Now you can see the auto replay audio is coming and the name of the file. So now we should upload the medias. We can go to the settings, select media, and in here we have to upload all those medias which their names are written in the Excel version of the form. Now you can see all the medias are uploaded. So once again we will redeploy this form, and now we will configure this form to our Android device and we'll see the result. So we opened our KOBO in the Android device, and now I will add the project, manually enter project details. So I already copied my account URL. It's my username, and the rest is the same for every account, and my account doesn't need an username or password. Duplicate project. So now I will click on the get blank form. So you can see the ACASI form is available. It's downloading the medias for ACASI form, and all forms are downloaded. Click on blank form and click on ACASI form.
How many times a week do you come to class? Never. One time. Few times. Many times.
So now you can see that our form is ready and it's automatically playing all the audios for us. We can select one of these options and proceed to the next, and we can also click on here loudspeaker icons to replay the question or the choices, and our ACASI form is ready. And this was the process of making a question including audio or image. Have a good time. Goodbye.